Hey garden lovers, with Mother's Day just around the corner, I thought I might dig into something truly special. How flowers and gardening became a timeless way to say, I love you, Mom. From ancient traditions to modern gardening tips, we'll explore the deep connection between flowers and Mother's Day, and I'll give you some unique gift ideas you can grow, plan, or even surprise with right from your own garden. Mother's Day, as we know it, traces back to the early 1900s in the U.S. when Anna Jarvis held a memorial for her mother and campaigned to make Mother's Day a national holiday. But the tradition of honoring mothers goes back even further to the ancient Greeks and Romans who held festivals for mother goddesses like Rhea and Cybele. And guess what? Even back then, flowers played a central role. By 1914, the second Sunday of May was officially declared Mother's Day, and carnations, Anna Jarvis's mom's favorite flower, which is also my mom's favorite flower too. Hi, Mom. Became the traditional go-to flower for the occasion. Ever since, giving flowers has been a core part of how we celebrate. Let's take a moment to appreciate the most beloved flowers for Mother's Day, not just for how they look, but for what they represent. Carnations are the original Mother's Day flower, and for good reason. Pink carnations in particular symbolize a mother's eternal, unconditional love. Legend has it that they first bloomed from the Virgin Mary's tears, making them a sacred emblem of motherly devotion. They're long-lasting, full of frilled texture, and radiate a gentle strength, just like a mom. Roses are perhaps the most iconic flowers in the world, but each color holds a different meaning. Pink roses stand for grace and gratitude, perfect for saying thank you to the woman who raised you. Red roses speak to deep, abiding love, and white roses are often used to honor mothers who are no longer with us as a way to remember and celebrate their legacy. Elegant and bold lilies, especially calla lilies, are a striking choice. They represent beauty, purity, and renewal. These flowers often bloom around Easter and springtime, which makes them a fitting symbol of new beginnings, hope, and the nurturing spirit of motherhood. Tulips are a cheerful, classic sign of spring, and they carry meanings of warmth, comfort, and affection. Their clean, simple-shaped, and vibrant colors make them feel welcoming, like a big floral hug. They're perfect for brightening up a bouquet or windowsill garden. With their lush, full blooms, peonies are like a celebration in flower form. They're associated with prosperity, honor, and good fortune, wishes every mom deserves. In many cultures, peonies also represent bashfulness and compassion, making them a lovely gesture of appreciation and thoughtfulness. Orchids bring something a little extra, an exotic beauty that's both sophisticated and delicate. They symbolize love, luxury, and strength. They're also long-lasting, which makes them a perfect living gift for moms who enjoy plants that last beyond the holiday. These flowers aren't just beautiful, they're full of meaning. Each petal tells a story, and when you grow or gift them, you're speaking a whole floral language. Whether you choose one bloom or mix a few together, you're creating a message that says, I see you, I thank you, and I love you. That's the magic of a Mother's Day bouquet. Instead of buying cut flowers, why not give your mom something living, something you can nurture, just like she nurtured you? A do-it-yourself flower garden kit with seeds, labels, and tips. A potted perennial like lavender, daisies, or echinacea. A herb garden basket with rosemary, mint, and basil, because moms love things that are useful and beautiful. A memory bed. A garden bed planted with flowers tied to your childhood memories or her favorite scents and colors. If you want to surprise her with something truly unique, here are some stunning, newer or lesser known varieties. Angel wing begonia, Sinbad pink. The Sinbad pink is no ordinary begonia. Its pastel pink blooms rise above speckled wing-shaped leaves that shimmer in direct light. This variety thrives in bright shade or filtered sun, making it perfect for indoor windowsills or outdoor covered patios. It's a sophisticated, low-maintenance beauty that keeps giving long after Mother's Day. For moms who love elegance and soft hues, this plant is a gentle reminder of your appreciation with every bloom. Lantana Miss Huff. Miss Huff is a true survivor and a stunner, known for its incredible cold hardiness and long blooming period. It produces bright, multicolored flower clusters in oranges, pinks, and yellows that constantly shift as they mature. This pollinator magnet thrives in heat, resists drought once established, and attracts butterflies by the dozen. If your mom loves wildlife and bold, carefree color, this perennial will be her favorite garden surprise year after year. Not your typical bouquet filler, this pink variety of baby's breath offers a dreamy cloud of soft pink flowers that float above airy green foliage. It's dainty, whimsical, an idea for edging borders or softening more structured flower beds. Great for fresh and dried arrangements alike, it adds an ethereal charm to gardens and handmade gifts. A perfect flower for moms who enjoy crafting or creating their own bouquets. Usually those red roses that are surrounded by those tiny white flowers are the white version of these. Fuchsia, Southgate variety, is a trailing variety that brings elegance to shady spaces. It's delicate, graceful, and full of charm, with soft pink and white teardrop-shaped flowers that dangle like chandeliers. It thrives in hanging baskets or raised containers, adding a romantic flair to porches or patios. It's a perfect gift for moms who love old-world beauty, soft pastel tones, and plants that bloom all season with minimum fuss. Bonus, hummingbirds absolutely love these. Every bloom is like a whisper of appreciation. For the modern, bold, and slightly exotic mom, nothing says flair like the lipstick plant. This tropical houseplant produces vivid, waxy red flowers that pop out of dark maroon buds, just like lipstick from a tube. Its trailing vines and glossy leaves are perfect for hanging baskets or bright indoor spots with filter light. It's not just eye-catching, it's low maintenance and long blooming, ideal for moms who want vibrant color with very little effort. It's a living statement piece full of personality and joy. These are more than just plants, they're an experience. Whether she's into vintage cottage gardens or modern tropical vibes, these beauties show thought, creativity, and love in bloom. These aren't your average bouquet flowers, they're conversational starters, memory makers, and they show effort and creativity. Mother's Day typically falls in early to mid-May. If you want flowers blooming right on the day, here's how to plan ahead. Plant bulbs in fall for spring blooms. Early bloomers like tulips and daffodils are perfect. Lilies, you want to start indoors in February or March. Annuals like zinnias, cosmos, and sunflowers start indoors 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost date. Fast blooming wildflower mixes, some sprout and bloom in just 30 to 40 days. Keep your local frost date in mind and stagger your seed starts for a rolling bloom. That way your garden can give your mom a show-stopping surprise on Mother's Day weekend. Sometimes the best Mother's Day gifts aren't things, they're shared experiences, a walk, a laugh, a bloom that opens together. Here's some thoughtful ways to celebrate that connection. You can host a garden tea party or picnic, set up a shaded table under your favorite tree with lavender, lemonade, chamomile tea, or some sconies. Surround yourself with flower baskets and fresh picked herbs, or go to like a local botanical garden. For instance, in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Daniel Stowey Botanical Garden has plenty of picnic areas where the garden paths and fountains create the perfect dreamy backdrop. Or you can go on a plant shopping date. Take your mom to a local nursery or botanical market. Let her explore, touch, and pick out something that truly speaks to her. In Oregon, you can visit the Portland Nursery, renowned for its rare perennials and heirloom selections. In Atlanta, Georgia, and many of the other surrounding states, you can go to Pike Nurseries, which are pretty awesome, or the Atlanta Botanical Gardens for their spring plant sale. In Los Angeles, you can head over to Sunset Nursery or Rolling Greens in Culver City for stunning indoor plant collections. Every bloom you guys see together becomes a part of a story you're writing together. That's the magic of gardening. It connects us season after season. So whether you're growing a garden, designing a planter box, or just starting your seeds indoors, remember what really matters is the love you're cultivating along the way. Mother's Day isn't about spending a lot. It's about showing thoughtfulness, beauty, and a little bit of growth, just like she's shown you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs some gardening inspiration. Comment below on what flowers remind you of your mom. Until next time, keep growing.